Hey everybody, it's my Mayfield Fabric blog. Come check out what I made. It's Viv and this is Stitches and Seams. Thanks so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be talking about what I made with my fabric from Mayfield Fabrics and kind of just run through that. So here we go. Simplicity 8613. It's the Mimi G Slim Fit raglan for men. So yes, this is what I made. I made View C, which is the stripy one here, and we'll put a photo up for you guys. The only thing that because Jack wanted the Henley, but I chickened out at the last minute because I didn't want to ruin this fabric because it's so awesome. So we ended up making View C, and I lengthened the sleeves because Jack is not a 3/4 sleeve kind of guy. So this is what that looks like. Sorry about the crinkling. So I added 3 inches into the sleeve. And then because the bottom of the sleeve is actually meant for the forearms, therefore it's going to be a bigger circumference than it would be at the wrist, I tapered in to the extra small to account for that. And so it actually worked out really well. Fits in really good. The sleeve length is really good. So that's all I did there. Let's see. The pattern was super easy to sew, no problems whatsoever. Instructions were clear, great pattern, really nice. I do need to go back in and kind of taper it through the midriff. He needed a large for his chest, but his midriff and like waist and hip area, he needs more like between a small and a medium. So I'm going to go back and taper that in. And so what we'll do is we'll put some photos in of Jack wearing it. But yeah, this is it. I honestly cannot even tell you. This fabric is squishy, but it's not like squishy in a bad way. Not squishy in a bad way. It is super, I can't even talk. It's super comfortable. It's nice and snugly warm, but I also don't think this is going to be bad to wear like, you know, when it starts warming up a little bit, not hot, not Texas hot, but, you know, say like springtime or fall time, I think you could still wear that. I don't think it's going to be like an exclusive winter type shirt. Guys don't call it tops, shirt. So yeah, I'll try to get some close-ups of the fabric for you because it's really kind of cool. It has, it's called herringbone, and it has these lines. You're not gonna be able to see it from that far away, but I'll try to get some close-ups for you. And it looks, you know, obviously it is knitted, but it's cool. It's a cool texture. So if you're one of those people that enjoys solids, but you want something a little bit extra to keep it from being boring, this is the kind of thing that would do that. It gives you a little bit of texture, gives you a little bit of dimension to the shirt, and it keeps it from looking, you know what I mean, ho-hum. Really nice fabric, really easy to sew, pressed well. I used my cover stitch on the hems and the neckband. I didn't have any problem. I know a lot of people say that raglan, they have a hard time sewing raglans because the sleeve pieces, because if you look at this, it's pretty much bias, you know what I mean? So it'll stretch, but I don't have that problem. I've never had it with the other raglan that I sew all the time, and I did not have it with this one. I don't know if maybe it's a fabric issue, but this fabric did not do that to me whatsoever. It pressed well, sewed well, it's laundered well. We are all trying to steal it from him. I'll put a picture in of my daughter. She thought she was going to be slick and get it, but she didn't get it. Dad took it back. So yeah, I really don't know what else I can say about it. I'm going to link it below in the description. I want to steal it from him. It's so nice. It's so lovely. You really will enjoy this. And you could definitely, it's not necessarily a masculine fabric, though it does work for a man, you know. It's kind of hard. Finding guy fabrics is hard. You know, I don't know. It's just hard to find masculine not themed, masculine, more fabrics that are more suited for masculine type personality. Yeah, whatever. So yeah, this one is definitely one, but I would totally, you know what would be nice in this? One of those, you could do a toaster sweater, but instead of the funnel neck, put like a cowl neck on it. That would be really nice. Or Sean of Kittenish Behavior, I think it was last year, she did like this mashup. She used a toaster sweater and something else. I think she said it was Astoria, but I don't remember. And she made like a mashup with this, and it kind of came out like a bat wing. But that would be something, because it was all drapey and snuggy, and oh, that would be nice. Something like that. Ooh. And if anybody's kind of paying attention to the towels top, Leslie from Threadbare Garments is going to be coming out with that soon, supposedly. This would be really nice for that, because it would make such a really cool, because it has that neckline. Or is that the towels? Anyway, I can't remember. But this fabric would be suited to a multitude of different tops. You could make something that was a little bit more drapier, because it does, you know, it has nice body to it and nice drape. All while still being able to be nice and snuggly. So that is it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to put them in the description box below. And let me know if you've made this pattern, and if your man or you are a 3/4 sleeve person. So that's it for today, guys. Take care. We'll see you later. Bye.